Hi, I wanted to do this video today to explain to you about the videos that are in the series that this video is the beginning of, and why they're different to ordinary YouTube channels, ordinary YouTube videos. And the reason is that, truthfully, they weren't filmed for YouTube, they were filmed for a Telegram immigrants group that I've got. And so they're very technical, and because they're technical, you'll notice that I repeat myself in several of the videos. I mention about certain insulation and things, and I'm talking about that, and I'm talking about things to avoid and things to do, and it's particular to Russia. It's not really YouTube stuff, but I did convert them, and they are what they are. The good news is that from here on in, videos will be much more YouTubeified, and they'll be a lot easier to watch for YouTube viewers. So there'll be more along the lines of a clear explanation, a clear view of what I'm doing, and a clear result. So they get a much better viewer experience than maybe the technical videos that I created for a Telegram group. I'm hoping to get these videos starting with season 3, and so you'll notice later on, if you watch season 3, you'll notice a big difference in the style of the video, and also better quality. Those videos were filmed really in quite an old phone, actually, when we didn't have a YouTube channel. Series 1 was done, there wasn't even a YouTube channel at the time. It was specifically for Telegram group. We were put on Telegram, and then from Telegram taken and converted, chopped, edited a little bit. But every time you do an edit on a YouTube video, on any video, you lose a bit of quality, you lose a bit of something from it, some magic from it. And it's evident in those videos that stuff has happened. I did try and upscale them to make them better, but even so, you can't really compensate for something that isn't there. There's no clear explanation, seeing it and doing its storyline. It's kind of, they're just too technical for YouTube. If you like the technical stuff, they're great there for you. Watch them, you'll see the technical stuff, you'll see their stuff. Especially if you're an immigrant coming to Russia, that they're perfect for you. If you're coming to Russia and you want to build yourself, or you're having a house built yourself, a frame house, for you, brilliant. They're going to tell you everything that you want to know about building a frame house. If you want a story, the house in the forest that I'm building, then the next videos, season 3, will be much better. This video probably dropped onto the beginning of series 3 to explain you how it's going to go, and also onto all the series basically. This is my explainer video and how it came to be that way. I hope this goes to explain something about why the videos are the way they are, rather than YouTube story types. And hopefully I'll see you in season 3 if you want to see the story, and if you want to see those technical videos, stay where you are and see the season 1 and season 2.